Assalamu alaikum students. This is the second and last part of the topic, parts of speech, and it is presented to you by me, Miss Madhya Ehsan Sharif from Gars Public School 1. So let's begin with adverbs. Adverbs modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. The word modifies means that it adds something to the meaning of a verb. That means it describes verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Just as an adjective tells us more about a noun, it tells us more about verb, adjective, or another adverb. Let me try to explain you with the help of examples. So the first example we have here is she sings melodiously. So how she sings? She sings melodiously. Therefore, the word melodiously is an adverb because in this sentence, then this adverb is modifying a verb sings. The next statement is you should run fast. So in this statement, the word fast is an adverb modifying a verb run. Let's move on with another example. That is, I have a very brightly colored jacket. So you see, the word jacket is a noun. So how the jacket is colored? The word describing noun are adjectives. Therefore, this word colored in this statement is an adjective. So you see the word brightly highlighted here as it is an adverb. It is modifying the adjective colored here in the statement. And in this statement, you see very is also highlighted and it is an adverb. Very is used to modify the word brightly here. As you know, this is the only part of a speech, adverb is the only part of a speech that can qualify or modify an adverb. Let's see another example. He is very smart. Each highlighted word tell us more about the adjective. Here, very tells us how smart he is. So the next example we have here is, he spoke to me very politely. Here, you see two adverbs highlighted. Politely, which is modifying the verb spoke. Therefore, it is an adverb. Whereas the word very is qualifying the word politely, which is an adverb. As you know, there is only one part of the speech that can qualify adverb is an adverb itself. So, not every word ending with ly is adverb. There is a misconception that every word that ends with ly is an adverb. Let's just see if it is really true. So, here we have first example. She is friendly. She is a pronoun and the word friendly is describing she. And the part of speech that describes noun or pronoun is an adjective. So, not every word that ends with ly is an adverb. Okay, the next example we have is, he plays well. In this statement you see, an adverb well is describing the verb play. And this word well does not have ly in it. It is just W-E-L-L, no ly. Therefore, not every word that ends with ly is an adverb. Next part of speech we have is preposition. Preposition is composed of two words, pre and position. Pre means before. From pre, you can understand prepositions are placed before a noun or a pronoun and they connect them to another word in a sentence. Let's see the examples. The cat is under the table. Here you see two nouns, the cat, the table, and the word that is joining them and showing the relationship, that is under. Therefore, the word under is a preposition. The book is on the shelf. Again, two nouns are here, the book and the shelf. It is telling you the position, that where this thing is. It also tells you that where that thing is. Third we have is the chocolate is on the table beside you. There you see two prepositions here. So they are connecting two nouns and one pronoun. The chocolate is a noun and it is like connecting the table and by showing its position on the table, and it is connecting with another pronoun, that is you, beside you. So the next one is the bus is standing in front of the school. In front of the school, the bus and the school, they are being connected. They are showing the relationship by telling you the position, the placement, that is in front of. Therefore, in front of is a preposition. I shall see you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes is noun. I is pronoun. One pronoun is connected to another one using the preposition in. The train will leave at midnight. The train is another noun, and at midnight. Midnight is noun, and therefore they're showing the relationship in a sentence by using the preposition at. Now we have is conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They join two or more words, group of words or sentences. Let's see the examples. Ali and Veronica have completed this task. You can see there are two words, or I would rather say two subjects, and they are joined together by a word and, that is conjunction. So conjunctions are joining words. Therefore, this word and in this statement is a conjunction. Number 2, he or I can help you. In this sentences, again you see two subjects, these words, two subjects, two words. These words give you choice and they are joined by or. Therefore, this word or is conjunction. I cannot help you because I'm cooking. Here you see two statements. I cannot help you, I am cooking. They are being joined by the word because. Therefore, because here is a conjunction. He is Ali and she is Veronica. Two statements, two sentences. They are being joined together by a word and, that is conjunction. I have a cat and a dog. Again, here you see a word cat and a dog. These two words are joined by the conjunction and, therefore, and it is a conjunction. He tried very hard in the exam, yet he did not get good grades. In this sentence, you see two complete sentences are being joined by the word yet. So, conjunctions join the two sentences. Therefore, conjunctions are joining words. They join two or more words, group of words or sentences. So here we have is 8th part of the speech, that is interjection. Express strong feelings followed by an exclamation mark. They always express sudden and strong emotions or feelings. It can be the feeling of joy, sorrow, surprise, etc. And it is always followed by an exclamation mark. So here are these words. These words are interjections. For example, oh no, oops, bravo, alas. So let's see the examples over here in the statements, in the sentences. Hurrah, we won the game. See, this word hurrah is an interjection showing the emotion of joy. Alas, I failed the exam. And in this, you see a last word followed by an exclamation mark is an emotion of sorrow. Wow, what a beautiful car! Here you see the emotion of surprise using wow. Wow is an interjection. Oh, I forgot to bring my purse. Emotion of sorrow. Ouch, it hurts. Emotion of pain. Ew, it tastes so bad. Emotion of disliking. This word ew is an interjection showing emotion of disliking. I don't care. Emotion of scorn. So interjections are those words which express strong feelings, and they're always followed by an exclamation mark. Now, how about articles? I don't know if you have noticed or not, I did not cover it as a separate or different part of a speech. Why is that? I will give you answer in a while. Just look at the example for now. I have a pen. In this statement, you can find a noun pen. Since it's a name of a thing, you can identify it is a noun. Now, how many pens do you have? 1. How did you know that? From this article A. Therefore, this article A tells you more about noun. And I have explained, if a word tells you more about a noun or a pronoun, or it qualifies a noun or a pronoun, this word has to be an adjective. So, the articles are basically adjectives. So children, let's review 8 parts of a speech all together now. Let's begin with noun. Noun are naming words. Pronoun. Pronouns are noun replacers. They are used in the place of a noun. Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They only qualify or describe nouns or pronouns. They cannot qualify any other part of a speech. Verbs. Verbs are action words that indicate actions, event, or states of being. Be. The present form of be is am, are, whereas past form is was, were. Adverbs. Adverbs modify a verb, an adjective, and an adverb itself. They only qualify these 3 parts of a speech. Preposition. A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in the sentence. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They join 2 or more words, group of words, or sentences. Interjection. Interjection express strong feelings. They're always followed by an exclamation mark. I hope all these parts of speech are clear to you now, and you will be able to identify easily in a sentence. Now, it's your turn to write a paragraph of 5 to 6 lines which includes all the 8 parts of a speech. And you also have to underline them and mention them what part of speech they belong to. Moreover, you have to complete these verbic exercises and this worksheet of exercise of a conjunction in your full scape sheet without copying the questions. Only answers will be written, mentioning the correct page number and exercise number, and you have to submit this assignment after a week.